What motivated me to choose an apprenticeship over other career paths was I get to learn in a practical way. I get to learn on the job, on the hand experience with qualified engineers with experience. I also get to learn on the tooling, and also I get paid to learn a craft. The most rewarding part of my apprenticeship is the fact I'm doing it with Honda ATV technicians in partnership with MacGregors. I go down to Bracknell every couple of weeks to learn the Honda way on how to fix ATVs and to do my motorcycle level 3 qualification. To me, that is the most rewarding part of the apprenticeship. It also gives me a dealership backed qualification with a named brand company. My proudest skill is changing my perception of can't do to can do, learning using my practical skill set to diagnose and confidently basically being able to fix things in the workshop while having qualified mentors with their experience and knowledge throughout the years of MacGregors. My apprenticeship has prepared me for a future that, with my practical knowledge and knowledge with these qualified technicians, hopefully will allow me to become basically a level 3 qualified technician to work on motorcycles and ATVs, but also as well hopefully gain further knowledge and development throughout my career at MacGregors.